How to zoom in and out on the iPad's screen like a Macintosh. Similar to the Mac OS, this is an accessibility feature that needs to be enabled first. So today, we will learn how to enable and use this feature on an iPad. Just a quick reminder before we get started, similar to the Macintosh, you will need to have a trackpad or a mouse and a keyboard paired to your iPad in order for this feature to work in a similar fashion that of a Mac. So let's get started. First, let's go to the settings. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click Accessibility. Then, from the options that appear on the right panel, click on Zoom to access the Zoom options. Next, click on Keyboard Shortcuts. Click on the switch at the right-hand side to turn it to green if necessary. Now we need to be sure that the Zoom with Scroll Wheel option is switched on. Now to use this feature, you have to press and hold down the Control button. Then, with two fingers, scroll up on the trackpad, and then with one finger, you can navigate on the screen of your iPad. This also works with the Bluetooth mouse. You can also use the scroll wheel to zoom in or zoom out. But practically speaking, this function works best with the trackpad. Aside from this, there are several other options available that you can check and choose according to your preference. Again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get notified when a new video comes out. This has been Harold, and I'll see you on the next one.